Welcome back. Let's look at this question. Given y equals x squared minus 5x plus 4, where we need to calculate the axis of symmetry. Let's calculate that. For axis of symmetry, x is minus b over 2a. We know this. It means we go there and look for b value and look for a. b is minus, b is minus 5 and a is 1. And this gives 5 over 2, which gives 2,5. So x is 2,5. Axis of symmetry is 2,5. And we know what is happening with the axis of symmetry, where it is actually dividing the graph along that line. X is 2,5 into equal halves. Now for number B, let's calculate the x-intercept. Let's calculate the x-intercept. Now for x-intercept, we will always say this powerful rule that we need to make y to be 0. Every time we're looking at calculating x-intercept, we must always say let y equal 0. Then we will therefore say x squared minus 5x plus 4 must equal 0. Remember, it's a way of calculating x. Now, this then would mean that we need to check if there are factors there. 4 and 1 for 5, and I think we need to have that. Well, as our middle term is minus 5, so I think these factors will be correct. Where x equal 4 or x equal 1. These are the x-intercepts. We need to go to the third question. Okay, let's continue. The third question says calculate the turning point. For the turning point, we are saying that x is 2,5 and y equals, we don't know the y, but the x we know. Why am I saying we know the x? Because this is the x ordinate at the turning point. Now it means we need to take this value, substitute this value into the original so as to get the y. And once we have x and y, that will be the turning point. Can I take this part off? Now it means that for the turning point, y will be 2,5, or that 5 over 2 squared minus 5 by 5 over 2 plus 4. Now this to me is 25 over 4 minus 25 over 2 plus 4 plus 4. Now this would be 25 over 4 minus, can I say 50 over 4? Is 50 over 4 same as 25 over 2? I believe so. Now this is same as 16 over 4. It's because I need to use the calculator and I don't have the calculator. So this is 25 minus 50 plus 16 all over 4. So what is this? This is my y-intercept. Maybe let me save other things And just say this, I've got 25 minus 50 plus 16 is minus 9. 25. Yes, now it means the turning point is 5 over 2 and minus 9 over 4. This is the turning point. I think there is the fourth question. Let's look at the fourth question. Okay, let's look at the fourth question. So can I take this off because we have the turning point there. The fourth question is the y-intercept. What is the y-intercept? For y-intercept, we need to say let x equals 0. Take note that when we need the x-intercept, we say let y equals 0. And when we need the y-intercept, we say let x equals 0. Now therefore, y will be 0 squared minus 5 into 0 plus 4. And this is 4. Now the y-intercept is 4. Now finally, let's draw this graph. Finally, let's draw the graph. Let's draw the graph. Let's draw the graph. We have the y-intercept. We have the x-intercepts. The x-intercepts are called the zeros. One question may say calculate the roots. It means the same thing. Let's draw the graph. Let's draw the graph. Let's draw the graph. X squared 5x. Let's draw the graph. The axis of symmetry 2.5. Y-intercept is 4. I've got 4 and 1 there. I've got 4 and I've got 1 there. Where this would be the graph. There is the graph. So here is my 5 over 2 and minus 9 over 4, the turning point. And here is my 4, here is my 1, here is my 2,5. And then here is the y equal x squared minus 5 plus 4. Where the axis of symmetry will be dividing this part and that part to look similar. Thank you.